Hey, Johnson, have you ever thought about going on a world tour?
Yeah, actually, I've been thinking about it a lot lately. I've been saving up some money and I'm ready to go on an adventure.
That's great. I've always wanted to go on a world tour too. Where are you thinking of going?
I was thinking of starting in Europe and then traveling to Asia and Australia. How about you?
I was thinking of starting in South America and then traveling to Europe, Africa, and Asia. But I'm open to other ideas too.
Cool, we could start in South America together and then split off to our own destinations. That way we can still have some company at the beginning of the trip.
Yeah, that sounds like a great idea. Have you started planning anything yet?
Not yet, I'm not really sure where to start. Do you have any tips?
Well, the first thing you'll need to do is figure out your budget. Once you know how much money you have to spend, you can start looking at flights and accommodations.
That makes sense. How much do you think we'll need to budget for the entire trip?
It really depends on where we go and how long we stay in each place. But I would say a rough estimate would be around $20,000 for 6 months of travel.
Okay, that's good to know. What about visas and vaccinations?
That's a great point. We'll need to research the visa requirements for each country we plan on visiting and make sure we have all the necessary vaccinations.
Yeah, we definitely don't want to forget about those things. Do you have any recommendations for good travel insurance?
Yes, I've used World Nomads in the past and they're really great. They offer comprehensive travel insurance that covers everything from medical emergencies to lost luggage.
Thanks, I'll look into that. This all seems really overwhelming, but I'm excited to start planning.
Me too. We should start researching our destinations and making a rough itinerary. And don't forget to get your passport if you don't have one already.
Will do. Thanks for all your help, Sarah. I'm looking forward to our world tour.
Definitely. It was great talking with you about this. Let's keep in touch and share our progress with each other.
Sounds like a plan. Thanks for all your help, Sarah. I'm looking forward to our world tour.
You're welcome, Johnson. Take care and talk to you soon.
Bye, Sarah. Have a good day.